Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook white cheesy pasta. So first add 2 tablespoons ghee, then add garlic, and after some time add the chicken and cook it on low flame. Then add shimla mirch and all spices like chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, black pepper, red chili flake, and then add boiled pasta. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add salt and mix it well. Then add ghee or butter. Add some maida and milk and cook it on low flame. And then add spices like red chili, black pepper, and mix it well. Then it is ready. Add sauce into pasta and mix it, and then at the end add cheese, some shimla mirch, and down it for 10 minutes. Pasta is ready to eat. Thanks for watching.